As I said, when we first created this plugin, it was set up with the idea in mind that we'd use it purely for video prospecting. So plugin actually creates a landing page for the videos that you're sending out. So when somebody gets the video email inside their email client and clicks the GIF file, it takes them to a landing page that the plugin creates, which has the YouTube video embedded into it. So on the landing page, it consists of the video. It consists of content or copy that you write. You can just customize that content, and it also includes a form. Now, the original form, when we set it up for prospecting, the form was specifically for that. So the idea was that when people got the video, they could create or they could request a callback, and the form, the default form, was they could put their email address, their phone number, and name in there, and then they would choose a date and time, and that was pretty much it. All they could do is just request a callback from the marketer. So when we decided we were going to use it for other things, we decided we wanted to expand the plugin so that we could put in other forms. So now we've put inside here a form builder and also the ability to embed forms from your autoresponder. So over here on the left hand side, you can see there's a form setting. If you click that, it'll take you to this page here. If you want to add a new form, you basically go over here, you choose what type of form you want. So you can do a custom form or you can do an autoresponder form. If I click on autoresponder, I would go to the autoresponder like GetResponse, MailChimp, Aweber, whatever it is I'm using, create my sign up form, and then take that form code that's created inside there and paste it inside here. On the right hand side here, you can say it's form title and form description. So this would basically go above the form. So if it's a contact form or a subscription form, you might put in here sign up for our newsletter. And then in the form description, which would appear above the form, you might put in something like insert your details below to get updated monthly with our newsletter or whatever it is you want to put there, and then save the form. If I want to do a custom form, I'm just going to select the custom option. And now I can start building the form. So I can, okay, so I'm going to put my first question, so it could be for full name or first name, whatever I want. If I want it to be required, I just check this box here, and then I can choose what type of option that they've got. So this would be a text field. So I can add that, and now it becomes my first field in the form. If I want an email address, again, I can type in here, put email address. Choose my option, email, and then add that. You can see it comes across on the left hand side. So I'm just basically building up my form. If I want a telephone number, I won't leave it as, make it as required, I'll just leave that unchecked. And then this would be a phone. Add that. If you're outside of the USA, then you might just want to make that a just a number or a text field, sorry. Inside there, so they don't have to format it. It won't be formatted automatically as a US number. And then the last one, I would put in add your question or whatever, add your comments here. I'll make this one a text field, text area. Add that question inside there, so you can see over here, it's over here. And then if I want to move these things around, I can just basically just drag the field or the question and put it to where I want it to be. And then I put my form title, sample form, please complete the form, the fields below, or whatever I want to put inside there. And I'll just put submit the form. And then save the form. Oops. Save the form. Okay, it says up here, data successfully added. If I come back over to forms, did I save that? I don't know if I saved it, but let's save it one more time. Oh, well, I did save it. It tells you up here. So, okay, so I'm going to go back to forms. Leave the page. Okay, there's my field, my form. I can view it here. Okay, inside here. This is the form I created. I can go back and edit it if I want to. And if I'm all happy with this, I can go create more forms if I want to. Like I say, I can do more custom forms or autoresponder forms. And then when I'm creating the video email, when I'm choosing the form that I want to add into the landing page, any forms that I've created here will appear in the drop down. I can select those. So I will now move on to the next video.